Every financial influencer will face two kinds of problems. Problem number one is inconsistent income. Their expenses are like a rents or salaries or other equipment related. That expenses are almost like a same and it keep growing. Consistent expenses will be there, but the income will not be consistent because it will come through brands, it will come through views, it will come through some other channels, right? That is the problem number one. Problem number two is if a brand you promoted or the brand an influencer promoted went into some kind of a legal issues, mean that negativity coming to you and impacting your career or impacting your followers. This is the problem number two. So if you want to come out of these two and if you want to build a consistent income, if you want to create wealth, then I'm designing a program for you, especially for influencers. You can click the link in the description and join in our program. It's exclusively 30 minutes to 1 hour program. So you can learn a lot how to create wealth and how to generate consistent income, even though brands related income or the views related income is not consistent. Wish you all the best. See you in the program. Have a great day.